This is my finished product and it's a success. Yes, even the taste is a success. The looks is a success. Julienne carrots cooked in coconut oil. Cabbage. And when carrots are already soft or softer enough, not very soft, then put the cabbage. Okay, so those who have not seen leeks yet, so this is how leeks look like. There you go. It's from the allium family. So allium family has leeks, onions, and garlic, which have the highest anti-cancer content. Bottom part of leeks. Now I wanted to slice them or cut them and mix them in the pot and stir them. I'm going to boil this in the pot. Okay, just drop it in a boiling water. There we go. I put 8 rolls of dried vegetarian noodles. I just leave it there for 3 minutes and I'm ready to transfer it to this pan. Now it is already transferred here, and so I will just mix it and ooh.
No, you're going backwards.
It's not. Stop thinking the weird.
Yep, there you go. It's a vegetarian recipe, but it's not keto, so I cannot eat it. But I will be happy to be making yummy food for my kids with some carb, because they need carbs more than me. This is my finished product and it's a success. Yes, even the taste is a success. The looks is a success. The looks is so delicious. The taste is so delicious as well. Yep. Yummy.